bibidyoan ka sa but I'm dead and very high. I'm your biggest fan of fantasy. You know you love me. You don't mind. You love me. Now you're in the business of being Papa. Will you belong with me? Yes. You belong with this kid. I'm actually belong with me. Yes. You're on the phone with your girlfriend. She's upset. Knowing that about the things that you said. She doesn't in your ear like I do. I'm in a river rider. That's because it's day and night. Listen to the kind of wake up the daylight. Remember, not your story that I do. She wears short skirts, I wear t-shirts. She's still a captain of ina niya. And then go out of mind and what you're looking for is been here the whole time. If you can see, I'm the one who understands. Being here all alone, so why can't you see? You belong with me. You belong with me. Walk in the street with you in your worn out skin. And I'm thinking so it. I got loving you. Looking to myself, ain't it easy? You gotta smile right there. Alas kita ng umaga. It's a better. You never said a story like I do. Buong. Paano mo kaya?